everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your UberEats account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your UberEats account, then the process is quite easy. Open up your UberEats application or make sure that you're logged into your UberEats account on a web browser. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the account button at the bottom right. On the next page, tap on the help option. Select account and payments. Tap on account settings. Now tap on need help deleting my UberEats account. Tap on delete my Uber account on the next page. But remember that deleting this account will also delete if you have a rider account with the same account details. If you're sure you'd like to proceed further, tap on delete my Uber account. Verify your account by entering your phone number or your email, and once you are done, on the next page it will show you this interface. It says that deleting your account will also delete the profile that is displayed over here on this page. Scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see further information. If you delete your account now, your Uber rider profile and UberEats profile both will be deactivated immediately and it will be deleted permanently after 30 days. Which means if you don't log in between the 30 days period starting now, you will lose your account permanently. Tap continue to delete your account and pick one of the reason why you are trying to get rid of the account and tap on delete account again. Wait for a few seconds. And now the account deletion request has been sent. You'll be logged out of your UberEats account immediately. And if you don't log in within the 30 days period starting now, your account will be permanently deleted. That is how you can easily delete UberEats account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.